Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello kids, welcome to Savita Today Academy Kids. This is our mathematics lecture. Kids, today we revise fraction. This one chapter for sixth one exam mathematics worksheet. Seventh one chapter fraction. Kids, what is a fraction? The words half, quarter, three-fourth means a fraction. Okay, a fraction names equal parts of a whole or of a group. See here, you can see here pizza, a whole pizza. But when we use pizza, means eat one part, two part, third part of pizza. Means we use fraction no name the part or parts of the whole pizza that we are taking. Another one, this one a group of bananas. Okay, we can take a part of it by taking some bananas. We use fractions no name the part of the group of bananas that we are taking. Okay kids, from this chapter we learn first one topic, fraction of a whole. Inside subtopic, house. What is a house? House means equal means that the parts of are of the same size. What is equal? Equal means that the parts are of the same size. We call the equal parts halves. Halves, halves, one half. Okay, means in word we write down one half this type, and in numbering 1 upon 2, 1 upside and 2 downside. Means total how many parts? 2, and 1 is a pink color, so we write upside. Okay, another one subtopic about thirds. Thirds means you can see here 3 parts and 1 is a colored. Means how we write down 1/3 this type in a word 1/3, and in numbering we write down 1/3, 3 total parts and 1 is a colored. Okay, then 2/3 how we write down? Here 2 is a colored and 1 is a remaining. How many total? 3 parts, so we write down 3 downside and 2 colored part upside. Okay, 2/3 in a wording we write down this one wording 2/3 we write down in a numbering 2/3 this type. Okay, 2 upside, 3 downside, 2 upon 3. Then fourths. See here one pizza, and when we cut 4 parts. Okay, total how many? 4. See here, this one a pizza. Here you can see 4 parts. Okay, we call the equal parts fourths. Okay, if equal parts fifth, we saying fifth. If equal parts sixth, we saying sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, this type. Here 4 part equal parts, so we call the equal parts of a fourth. Okay, 1 is colored, we saying 1/4. We write down this type 1/4. Okay, 1 upside, 4 total, so downside we write down. Okay, then 2 color here, 2 part color here, 2 remaining, total how many part? 4, so 2/4 we write down this type 2/4, and here 3 part coloring, so we write down here 3/4. Okay, next one subtopic, writing fractions. How we write down? How many totals? We write down that one downside, and colored parts we write down upside. Writing fractions, you can see 3 colored part in pink, so 3 upside, and total part 4, so write down 4 downside. Okay, here this one a triangle, total part 2, so write down downside, and 1 colored, so we write down upside. Okay, this type means 1/4 is colored, here is one color, so 1/4 is color, okay, 2/4 is color, 3/4 is color, and here all part color. So how we write down? 4/4, okay, 4/4 or 1 whole is colored, okay. Then next one, few statements important here. Reading fraction. See, 1/3 is read as 1/3, but 2/3 is read as 2/3. Yes, okay. So also we say 1/4, 2/4, okay, and 3/4. We can also say 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. For fourths, we saying quarters, okay, and fourth we saying quarter, fourths we saying quarters, okay. When there are 5 equal parts, they are in fifth. They are in fifths. 6 equal parts are in a sixth. Then if a seventh, we saying sevenths. 8 we saying eighths. 9 we saying ninths. Okay, this type we call. Then next, this one exercise 7th action exercise. Here it's very easy peasy. You can see, take 3 paper plates and they saying do this type activity, okay. Second one, they saying show 4 different ways to cut this pastry into halves. This type 2 part we make. This type standing position, sleeping position. This type cross line we making. This one equal parts. This type left side slanting line, right side slanting line. We cut same parts, okay. Then we got here one triangle, different type, okay. Third one, show 4 different ways to cut this toast into quarters. This type we make 4 parts, okay. Different type we make 4 parts. Fourth one, show 2 different ways to cut this cake into thirds. They saying make a thirds, so we make total 3 parts. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This type sleeping line and standing line, okay. And here write the fraction for the shaded parts. Here total part 4, so and 1 is color, so we write down 1/4. Here 2 color part, total 4 parts, so we write down 2/4. C1, here 4 total parts and 3 colored in a green, so we write down 3/4, okay. Then this one 3 total parts and 1 is color, so we write down 1/3. Here total part 3, 1 2 3, and 2 is colored in a green, so we write down 2/3. F, here 1 tree and make 2 part. Here we can see 1 is colored, so we write down 1. We write down here half, okay, house. And sixth one, name the fraction for parts that have been eaten. Here this one a half, this one also half, and this one 2/3, and this one a 3/4. And next one, seventh one, tick half, circle 1/3 and cross 1/4, ignore the rest. This type you, this one a correct tick, this one correct tick, this one correct, this one correct, this one a wrong, okay. And B, color 1/2, so we color 1/2 here, this type. C1, they saying color to show 1/3 in red and 2/3 in a blue. This type we color blue and red, okay. D1, color to show 1/4 in red and 3/4 in blue. This type we can color, okay. Then E1, color to show 2/4 in a blue. This, so we color this type, okay, 2/4. Choose a fraction to show about how much each one holds. This one a half, okay, this one a 1/5, and this one a half, this one 1/3, okay. So we circle this type, okay kids. Now we stop here and we continue this one chapter in the next video. Till it, bye bye kids, and best luck for your 6-1 worksheet maths exam. Thank you.